Welcome to the learning material of error-proofing, presented by Sakti Auto. Today, we are going to explore the fundamentals of error-proofing, also known as poker yoke. You'll discover what it is, why it matters, key examples, different types, and the pillars that support this powerful concept. Ready? Let's begin. What is error-proofing? It is a technique used to prevent errors before they occur or detect them as soon as they happen. It's about designing processes and tools in such a way that it becomes nearly impossible to make a mistake, or that mistakes are quickly noticed and corrected. Types of characteristics in error-proofing. There are 4 characteristics in error-proofing. They are: significant characteristic, a product or process feature that affects fit, function, or customer satisfaction, but not safety. May require control to ensure quality. Example: surface finish, thread dimensions, or paint thickness. Safety characteristic, a feature that, if out of spec, may cause harm to the user, operator, or environment. Usually governed by safety standards or regulations. Example: airbag deployment sensor, brake pedal response time. Special characteristic, marked often with symbols in drawings, filled diamond or S. These are features that are critical to performance, fit, function, or compliance. Example: cylinder bore diameter, sealing surface dimensions. Critical characteristic, a higher level subset of special characteristics, where failure may lead to loss of control, injury, or non-compliance with legal or safety standards. Example: torque of wheel nuts, fuel system sealing under pressure. Why it is important? Delivers defect-free output at the source. Significantly lowers rework, scrap, and warranty-related issues. Boosts operator confidence and accountability. Reduces reliance on end-stage inspection. Ensures stable and repeatable process quality throughout production. Let's see few examples. Color-coded connectors. They are designed to prevent incorrect assembly or mismatched connections. Error-proof fixtures. Error-proof fixtures that permit only the correct part orientation during setup. Presence detection sensors. Presence detection sensors that verify components before allowing the next operation. Digital checklists. Digital checklists to ensure each process step is completed in sequence. Safety limit switches. Safety limit switches that automatically stop machines if access doors are opened. Think of a clever tool or technique at your workplace that silently prevents errors. How does it help your workflow? Types of error-proofing. There are 3 types of error-proofing methods. 1. Control type. It prevents the error completely. Example: parts won't fit unless properly aligned. 2. Warning type. It alerts the user of potential mistakes. Example: buzzes or warning lights. 3. Shutdown type. It stops the process when an error is detected. Example: emergency stop when abnormality occurs. Key pillars of error-proofing. Just like a structure stands on pillars, error-proofing is built on key principles. Let's walk through them. Prevention-based design. It eliminates the possibility of mistakes through smart design. Early detection. It identifies errors as they happen to prevent defects from progressing. Visual management. It uses labels, indicators, and color coding to guide correct actions. JIDICA, automation with human touch. It automatically stops processes when abnormalities are detected. Standardization. It maintains consistency with SOPs, checklists, and templates. Quick summary. Error proofing. Prevent mistakes or catch them early. Builds quality into the process. Combines design, detection, and discipline. Essential for lean, efficient, and safe operations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning session.